Good day everyone, I hope you're safe today. I am Erica Jane Tagorda from the last group, which is Group 15 in SFTNT 2A, and we're going to discuss the soil and pest management. The learning objectives of our topic is describing the way of managing soil. So first, I'm going to describe what is soil management. In agriculture, some amount of soil management is needed both in non-organic and organic types to prevent agricultural land from becoming poorly productive over decades. Soil management is an important tool for addressing climate change by increasing soil carbon and as well as addressing other major environmental issues associated with modern industrial culture practices. And also, soil management is a key component to the success of site-specific cropping system management. It starts with the farmer's capacity to vary tillage and inputs according to soil condition and needs. This factor is important in seedbed preparation, weed management, sustainability, and has the potential to lower or optimize production costs within an individual field. Lastly, adjustments according to soil conditions such as soil texture, moisture content, and soil pH are important to seed and fertilizer placement. The adjustment may contribute to increased yields and reduce unit costs. Equipment companies are developing various tools including tillage equipment with GPS and selected technology controls tailored to site-specific farming.
So what is pest management? Pest management is a long-term prevention process you can use to solve pest problems in a company institutional building while minimizing to risk people and the environment. Ang mga peste ng halaman ay mga organismong nakaka-affect or nakakapagdulot ng pinsala sa mga pananim. Well, karaniwang peste sa mga pananim ay ang mga damo or weeds, insects, pathogens like bacteria, fungi, virus, or nematodes na nagdudulot ng sakit sa halaman at vertebrate pests. Pest management aims to keep the use of pesticides at the lowest possible level to give preference to sustainable, biological, physical, or other non-chemical methods if they lead to a satisfying result.
Some important goals of soil management include building and maintaining soil organic matter and biodiversity, preventing erosion, enhancing aerations, minimizing compaction, and providing sufficient nutrition to plants. Because soils differ so much by region and even by field, it isn't helpful to give blanket recommendation for specific problems. However, there are some general strategies that coupled with a solid understanding of soil function can improve soil health. Hindi naman pulingid sa ating kaalaman na ang pagkakaroon ng maayos o matabang lupa ay mas nakakatulong para magkaroon ng marami at mga malalagong mga halaman o tanim. Narito ang ilang mga halimbawa na makakatulong sa pag-aayos o pagpapataba ng lupa. Andyan si tillage. Ano nga ba ang ginagawa ni tillage o ni pagbubungkal? Ang pagbubungkal ng lupa ay ang mechanical na pagmamanipula sa lupa upang maabot ang ninanais na kondisyon ng lupa. Ang mga tool ay ginagamit upang maagawa ng mga inaasahang resulta. Next is organic soil amendments. Any substance that is added to a soil to enhance its physical characteristic such as water retentions, permeability, water infiltrations, drainage, aerations, and structures is referred to as soil amendments. The objective is to give roots a better habitat. Next is protection. It is referred as pesticides. Pesticides are chemical compounds that are used to kill pests, including insects, rodent, fungi, and unwanted plants. Lastly, crop rotation. Crop rotation is a such helpful tool in preventing soil issues, insect pests, weed issues, and for developing healthy soils. It is necessary in organic crop production. Crop rotation involves a planting different crop on specific area of land each growing season.
So hi everyone, my name is Shailene Newton and I am here to discuss and describe the way of managing soil and pest management. Most effective insect pest management plans include one or more management strategies. Applying IPM or Integrated Pest Management Strategies, insect control can be split into 5 separate categories. So, ang una natin ay ang prevention. Prevention includes such practices as using pest-free, plant stock, and materials. Prevention also includes removing insect pests before they can lay eggs or become carry disease. So, para ma-prevent natin na safe yung ating mga halaman is kailangan na regular natin silang susuriin para makita and mahuli natin yung mga peste or mga insekto na umaalikid bago pa sila makapagparami. So, the next one is cultural controls. Cultural controls are management practices that reduce the incidence of insect infestations, such as proper planting times and planting rates, planting companion crops, managing fertilization and irrigation to favor desired plants rather than insect pests, rotating crops and planting cover crops or trap crops. So ayon, sa cultural controls is kailangan ng good sanitation. Kabilang yung mga plano sa pamamahala ng mga dumi. Nakakatulong na mabawasan yung mga infestation ng mga peste o ng mga insekto tulad ng mga langaw or yung mga dumadapo din sa mga halaman natin. And other than that, changing the environment to discourage insect pests by controlling temperature, light, or humidity is matatawag din natin cultural control. So, sa madaling salita, ang cultural practices is malaking tulong para ma-reduce or ma-eliminate natin ang pest populations. So, the third one is mechanical or physical controls. This includes hand-picking insects and the use of barriers, such as roof covers. They also involve using mechanical devices and disrupt the soil and make conditions unsuitable for the survival of insect pests. So, sa isang salita, yung mechanical pest control is ang ginagawang pagbabakod o yung mga barriers na nilalagay natin para makiiwas sa mga pest. Maraming mga magsasaka ngayon na nagsisikap na makahanap ng mga suitable ways para maalis yung mga peste nang hindi sila nakakapinsala sa ating ecosystem. So, the fourth one is biological controls. Biological control is the use of a living organism to control insect pests. Success depends upon selectivity, reproduction, adaptation, and ability to the organism to reach a high level of effectiveness. Predator or parasitic insects that target other insects are a good example. Generally, hindi napupuksan ng mga biological yung mga peste, pero nakakatulong sila o nakakatulong ang mga ito para mabawasan yung population rate ng mga peste in a manageable level. Advantage lang nito is ang biological control is wala siyang mga artificial na substances na inilalagay dahil ginagamitan lang ito ng mga buhay na organism para supuin yung population ng mga peste. And for the last one is chemical controls. Chemical control uses pesticides or more specifically insecticides to control a target insect pest. So ayun, yung advantage lang naman itong chemical control is 100% yung bilis nitong makapagtanggal ng mga peste sa ating mga halaman. Kumbaga, kung kahit sa ang sulok pa nakasuksok yung mga pesteng yan, kung saan sila nagtatago sa mga halaman or di kaya sa mga soil natin, is mabilis na matatanggal siya ng chemical control kapag ginamitan natin ito. Pero tips lang sa mga gagamit ng mga ganitong chemical control na dapat is basahin natin maigi kung ano ba yung dapat natin gawin or paano ba gumagana yung isang chemical control bago natin ito i-apply sa ating mga lupa or di kaya sa ating mga halaman. So here is our references. Thank you for watching.